Your heart. It's the engine that keeps you going. Every beat matters. But just like any engine, your heart needs the right fuel to run smoothly. That's where your diet comes in. Food is powerful. It can either harm or heal. When it comes to heart health, choosing the right foods can make all the difference. We're not talking about deprivation, but delicious choices that protect your ticker. Think of it as an investment. By nourishing your body with heart-healthy foods, you're investing in a longer, healthier life. And who wouldn't want that? Now, let's talk antioxidants. These powerful compounds act like tiny bodyguards, protecting your cells from damage. Think of them as superheroes fighting off villains called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc in your body, damaging cells and increasing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease. Antioxidants neutralize these troublemakers, keeping your cells healthy and happy. Where do we find these superhero antioxidants? In a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods. Nature provides the perfect defense system, and it's up to us to take advantage of it. Berries are like nature's candy, bursting with flavor and antioxidants. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, they're all packed with powerful compounds like anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and protect your heart in numerous ways. Studies show that eating berries regularly can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. These tiny fruits are like little heart heroes, working hard to keep your cardiovascular system in tip-top shape. Add them to your breakfast, sprinkle them on your yogurt, or enjoy them as a sweet and satisfying snack. Your heart will thank you for it. Don't underestimate the power of leafy greens. Spinach, kale, lettuce, collard greens, these nutritional powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, all of which play a vital role in heart health. These leafy greens help reduce oxidative stress, lower cholesterol levels, and improve blood flow. They're like the guardians of your arteries, keeping them clear and healthy. Incorporate them into your diet through salads, smoothies, soups, or even stir-fries. Get creative and find ways to make these greens a regular part of your meals. Section 5. Nuts and seeds, crunchy and heart-healthy. Looking for a heart-healthy snack that's both satisfying and delicious? Look no further than nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds. They're all excellent sources of antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. These crunchy treats have been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. They're like little packages of heart protection, perfect for snacking or adding to your meals. Sprinkle them on your salads, add them to your trail mix, or enjoy a handful as a satisfying snack. Your heart and your taste buds will be happy you did. Section 6. Dark chocolate, a guilty pleasure that's good for you. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate, often considered a guilty pleasure, can actually be beneficial for your health. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation, can be good for your heart and overall well-being. This decadent treat is rich in flavanols, a type of antioxidant that helps improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Flavanols are known to support cardiovascular health by enhancing the function of blood vessels. But here's the catch. Not all chocolate is created equal. The health benefits are primarily found in dark chocolate, not milk or white chocolate. Opt for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa solids to reap the heart-healthy benefits. The higher the percentage of cocoa, the more flavanols and antioxidants it contains. The higher the cocoa content, the higher the antioxidant content. This means more health benefits for you. Enjoy a small square or two as a sweet treat, savoring the rich and intense flavor. Or incorporate dark chocolate into your cooking and baking. It can add a depth of flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. Just remember, Moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can still be detrimental, so enjoy dark chocolate as part of a balanced diet. So next time you reach for a treat, consider a piece of dark chocolate. It's a delicious way to indulge while also doing something good for your health. Share it with friends and family, and spread the joy of this healthy indulgence. After all, a little bit of dark chocolate can go a long way in making your day better. Section 7. Tea time. Sipping your way to a healthier heart. Take a break and enjoy a cup of tea. It's good for your heart. Both green tea and black tea are loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. These heart-healthy beverages can help lower blood pressure, improve blood vessel function, and reduce inflammation. So put the kettle on and sip your way to a healthier heart. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, sweetened or unsweetened, make tea a regular part of your day and enjoy the heart-healthy benefits. Section 8. Colorful plates, healthy habits. Eating for a healthy heart doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be as simple as adding more color to your plate. Think vibrant fruits, vegetables, and legumes. The more colors, the better. Make it a habit to include at least one serving of fruits and vegetables with every meal. Experiment with new recipes. Try different fruits and vegetables, and find what you enjoy most. Remember, healthy eating is not about deprivation, it's about nourishment. Choose foods that make you feel good and fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Section 9. The power of prevention. Real-life examples. In this section, we will delve into how real people have benefited from making healthier choices in their daily lives. We've talked about the science, but let's look at some real-life examples. These stories will show how simple changes can lead to significant health improvements. Studies have shown that populations with diets rich in fruits, vegetables, and other antioxidant-rich foods have lower rates of heart disease. This is not just a theory. It's backed by extensive research and real-world evidence. For instance, the Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and olive oil, has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. People in Mediterranean countries have been following this diet for centuries, and their health outcomes speak volumes. This way of eating proves that delicious food can also be incredibly heart-healthy. You don't have to sacrifice taste for health. The Mediterranean diet is a perfect example of this balance. These examples highlight the incredible power of prevention. It's not just about what you eat, it's also about how you live. Regular physical activity, combined with a healthy diet, can make a world of difference. By making simple yet powerful dietary changes, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing heart disease and live longer, healthier lives. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Whether it's choosing an apple over a candy bar or taking a walk instead of watching TV, every little bit helps. Section 10. Your heart's best diet, a recipe for life. In conclusion, a diet rich in antioxidant-rich foods is a recipe for a healthy heart and a longer, more vibrant life. These foods, packed with vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients, help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in heart disease. By incorporating more fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and other heart-healthy foods into our diets, we can provide our bodies with the tools they need to thrive. Remember, every bite matters. Each meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and support your heart health. Make conscious choices that nourish your body and protect your heart. Opt for fresh, whole foods over processed options. When you shop, choose a rainbow of produce to ensure a variety of nutrients. Start by adding one more serving of fruits or vegetables to your day. This simple step can make a significant difference over time. Whether it's a handful of berries in your morning cereal or an extra serving of greens at dinner, these small changes add up. Swap out processed snacks for nuts and seeds. These nutrient-dense options are not only delicious but also provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber that support heart health. And make time for a daily cup of tea. Rich in antioxidants, tea can help reduce inflammation and improve heart function. Whether you prefer green, black, or herbal, a soothing cup of tea is a heart-healthy habit. Your heart will thank you for it. Embrace these changes, and you'll not only feel better, but also pave the way for a healthier, happier life. Every positive choice you make brings you one step closer to optimal heart health.